Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI Basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I am working my way through all 101 programs, and we're up to program number 47, one for you math folks out there, math students, math teachers, math enthusiasts, standard deviation. Here's a way to determine mean and standard deviation. In this particular program, you exit the entry cycle by entering the large number 999, 999, 999, or 9 nines, so you can't use 999, 999, 999 as one of your data points. This is a great opportunity to experiment with standard deviation computations. Try a series of data points such as 3, 5, 3, 7, and 4. They should result in data total 22, mean 4.4, variance 2.24, and standard deviation 1.496662955. Okay, so we're going to type this program into the Classic 99 emulator in TI Basic, and we're going to type it in, give it a run, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, 10, call clear. 20, go sub 260. Kind of strange to send you right into a subroutine right off the bat. Okay, 30, print. 40, input data point. I'm going to check the punctuation here because I want to do it exactly as written for historical purposes. And we're going to call that X. 50. If X equals, and here we have our 9 nines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 100. 60, t equals t plus x. 70, s equals s plus x to the second power. 80, n equals n plus 1. 90, go to 40. 100, a equals, that is t divided by n, the average, I believe. Okay, 110. This will be the variance. V equals s divided by n minus a to the second power. A to the power of 2. That looks right. Let's scroll a little bit here. 120. D equals square root of V. This is the first program in this book that uses powers, I believe, and also uses, or exponents, and also uses square root. Interestingly enough, 130, call clear. 140, go sub 260. 150, print. 160, print data total. I'm going to check the, okay, we don't have a space there. Okay, but we do have comma T, 170, print mean, and we're going to have comma A, so average in the sense of mean, there's different senses of average. 180, print variance. Comma V, I believe. Yes. 190. Print standard deviation. I don't know why we're abbreviating here, but let's go ahead and just do it as written. STD DVI AT. I don't know why there's an abbreviation there. It's so silly. Might as well just write the whole thing out, right? Maybe just in case you get a very large number and so it all fits on one line. That could be 200 print, 210 print. Okay, now we clear out our data. 220 n equals 0 for the next go around. 230 s equals 0. 240 t equals 0. And notice we don't need to clear out v and d because those get calculated based on the new values of these other variables we just entered. So we don't have to clear those. We could if we wanted to, but it doesn't really matter. 250 go 240. 260. Print. Standard deviation. Okay. And 270 print. Let's count our asterisks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And 280, return, ends the subroutine. Okay, I'm going to list the program, looking for any obvious typos, syntax errors, math errors, nothing at a glance. We're going to test it with the, let's run it, and we'll test it with the data suggested by the book here. Right here. So let's 3, 5, 3, 7, and 4. So 3, 5, 3, 7, and 4. And then, as the program indicated, we're going to use 9 nines as our way out of the data entry loop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's see what we did here. Yep, data total, 22. Mean, 4.4. Variance, 2.24. And standard deviation, 1.496662955. And now I see why we abbreviated standard deviation, so we had room to split the screen into 2 columns here. Knowing that the number for standard deviation is likely to be a long decimal number. Okay, let's do another one. Data point. I don't know, let's do some local area codes like 831, 916, 707, 415, 209. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, how about 9 nines now? We'll get out of the data entry cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. So of all those local area codes, the total is 3,078. The mean is 615.6. Variance 70,111.04. Standard deviation 264.7848938. So even though calculators can do all this stuff, it's a lot more fun, I think, to write these programs. I still maintain that scripting languages like this, or old computing environments in BASIC, TI Basic, or any other basic environment has value as a scripting language. So if you're regularly doing these kinds of calculations, why on earth would you sit there and fumble around with your clumsy calculator when you can have a much more elegant experience for calculating such things? So that's my take on it anyway. But anyways, this was a very useful little math program, program number 47, Standard Deviation. And this is from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. If you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth, my Twitch handle, or under Zachary Fruhling, my real name, for lots of Texas Instruments TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, miscellaneous educational topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally, and quite a bit of World of Warcraft live streaming these days. Also, check out my Twitch channel under CozyAzeroth for live streaming and all the above. And on both platforms, please remember to like and subscribe. I especially appreciate the subscriptions. They help me out greatly in these challenging financial times, and I hope you're enjoying this trip down memory lane as I run through 101 programming tips and tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I'm going to peek ahead to the next program in the book. The next program is going to be percentages. So stay tuned for that. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out all the previous videos in this series on YouTube. You can find them on my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for all of the programs and videos yet to come. And even after I finish this book, I've got a long list of TI-99 4A content I would like to do. So stay tuned, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you very much.